Hey, in this video, I will show you a few ways to actually fix the Facebook app keeps crashing in 2021. It's a known update and I found some fixes that I think you will like and will help you out on any iPhone and on any Android device in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13k subscribers. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you actually want to do if your Facebook app keeps crashing is, instead of just opening the app, the first thing you want to do is just go over to your settings on your iPhone and make sure that when you click on General, then go to iPhone Storage or click on Apps, find Facebook. You want to basically clear the cache of the app. So you want to find Facebook, click on the search bar, Facebook, and offload the app and then reinstall it again. This has actually helped a lot of people. So this is pretty much the first thing you can do. The second thing you can do is actually go over to General again, click on Software Update, and make sure you have the latest update of your iPhone or Android device, because some glitches with some apps, network connection can be fixed that way. Another thing you can do in your settings, we want to start with everything you can do in your settings, is go over to Facebook. It's in a A to Z order, alphabetical order, so find F, Facebook is there. Go to, you want to make sure that background app refresh is actually on, mobile cellular data is on. This is very, very important. So these are the first thing you can do. The next thing is actually going over to the App Store, clicking on search, tapping in Facebook, and if there's an update option here, update the app right away. Another thing you can do from settings is go to settings, and sometimes this helps. Go to General, click on reset, and just reset your network settings, especially if other apps are crashing as well. And if none of that works, all you can do is just wait it out. Maybe it's a temporary issue, you need to wait a few minutes, a few hours. This has happened a lot of times recently, and they will fix it. If this video helped you out, you can actually give me a like. As I said, each like helps out a lot. Subscribe, because we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. And if you still have some questions, let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. I want to see you in the next video.